Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Visio soundbar and you're getting and it's telling you it's having HDMI ARC issues. And so as you might guess, this means that there's an issue with the HDMI ARC. So there's a couple of things that you can do, as just a regular person to try to fix these. The first thing you can do is you can check the ARC settings and make sure everything is, there's nothing there that would be preventing the connection from happening. The next thing that you can do is you want to make sure that any firmware or drivers or anything like that that's necessary are properly installed and updated. You might need to run an update on something. And then the last thing you can check is just to make sure that your HDMI cable itself is not the issue. So you just want to make sure that it's properly connected, and if you can swap it out and use a different one or use a different HDMI port. To see if that's the issue. So anyways, hope this video helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.